My name is Holly, and I just had the no blade intralaser LASIK surgery yesterday, and I went home last night and went to sleep for a couple of hours, and instantly when I woke up I could already tell that I was seeing things that I never could see without my contacts or my glasses, and have always been dependent on them 100%. And it was really nice to wake up just hours after my surgery and be able to see these things clearly. And woke up, there was no pain, there was hardly any irritation, and today I am seeing better than 20/20, and that's not something I ever thought that was going to work and that could happen, and it is. And I'm very glad that I've done the procedure, and I would recommend anyone who has ever thought about it, ever even considered it, to look into it. It's worth being able to see 20/20.